What are you doing, Devans?
I'm doing experiment.
Which experiment?
What will sink, what will float.
Okay, what you find?
I find it will sink.
Which?
I find this will float.
Okay, cotton balls.
Yeah.
Crayons.
I find this will sink.
Okay.
I find this will float.
Okay, now next is rock.
Rock.
What do you think?
It will sink.
It will sink.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's try. One.
Yes. It sink. Mm.
Okay, let's try.
Here.
Mm, mm, mm.
Next, apple. What do you think?
It will sink.
It will sink.
Yeah.
Okay, take there. Take in your prediction first. It will sing. Okay, let's try.
It sink.
So me? No, it's floating.
अरे मम्मा ये देखो ये
What?
ये देखो. Let's try the.
So what you find?
It will float, but I thought it will sink.
So,
So it float.
yeah. You was wrong. Now next,
Next,
beach ball.
baseball. Let's try.
Firstly, tick what you think. It will float or sink.
Float. Tick tock.
Okay, let's.
Let's try this ball. It will sink or float. I was right. It will float in this one.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try. Toy. I think this will
Here.
sink. Huh?
Next, toy car.
Toy car. I think this will
Float or sink?
sink. Tick.
Sink. Let's try.
Okay. Where's the toy
Your
car?
toy car.
Hey.
Oh, sink.
Yeah.
You are wrong.
Huh?
You said it. Okay, you are right. Okay. Let's tick in sink.
Okay.
Your prediction is right. Okay. Next.
Oh.
Okay, what do you think? Ice cube will sink or float?
Sink.
Okay, tick.
Where sink. Oh, yeah.
Let's try.
Yeah.
It's floating. See?
But mama. But mama.
Yes.
मैं अपने पापा के कप में देख रहा था वो डाल रहे थे आइस और वो तो सिंक कर रहा था.
नहीं, उसमें कुछ भी नहीं होगा ग्लास में बेटा. अगर आप खाली ग्लास में डालोगे तो नीचे जाएगी ना. वाटर में फ्लोट करेगी आइस. ओके. नाउ टेक हियर. व्हाट्स द रिजल्ट? इट्स फ्लोटिंग. ठीक है. डोंट प्ले विद दैट.
Let's try.
Here, it's floating. Actually happen?
Float.
Float.
Tick.
Next, paper.
Paper. Which paper?
What do you think? It will float or sink?
Float.
Okay.
Tick tock.
Now let's try. Yeah. It's
Floating.
floating.
Tick tock.
Next, plastic toys.
Plastic toys.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try the duck first. I think this will float. Tick tock. Let's try.
And this Lego?
And this Lego. Let's try. It
Floating.
also float.
Yeah. So you are right.
Mama, I
Toys
got
floating.
it through a Okay.
Plastic toys floating. Here, you are here.
Okay. Tick tock. इसको भी?
Now next, plastic
मम्मा इसको भी
bags.
कर देते हैं.
No.
पर एक तो सिंक हुआ था.
Next, plastic bags.
Plastic.
These
Bag.
bags. What do you think?
It
Float
will
or sink?
Float. Tick tock.
Okay, let's try. Yes, it's floating. Yeah?
Yes, is also balancing. Result. Float.
Float. Yeah. भूल जा रहे हो आप.
Tuck.
Next, balloon.
Balloon. I think it will float.
Float. Okay.
Tick
Let's
tock.
see.
Yeah.
Yes, floating.
It's also turning around.
Ah.
I tried before this one. That's why.
Okay.
I know.
That's why you know.
Yeah. I tried this one before.
You try bottles and lids.
What's lids?
Lids, dhakkan. You
No.
try before?
No.
Okay.
Also not this.
So what do you think? Bottles and lids will float or sink?
Sink.
Okay.
I think it will float.
Say one only.
Float. Tick tock.
Okay. Try. Floating. Bottle. Floating.
क्योंकि मुझे बाद में पता चला था इसलिए.
Okay. Put it.
I know. अयो इसको डाल. Okay.
Next,
let's try
orange.
I think it will float.
Okay.
Tick tock.
Let's try.
Okay. Sink.
It's floating.
No, it's sinking.
But
Nothing is-
not sink properly. It's floating. Yeah?
No, it's sinking. See?
See? It's floating.
नहीं.
If it will sink na, it just go down and will not move. It's moving.
Oh, it's good. It's up in my finger.
Yeah. Let's take.
ठीक है.
Complete your experiment. Go.
Okay, let's try one more. And what?
Orange.
Orange is floating. Tikka.
Done?
Yeah, done. Bye bye friends. See you tomorrow.